Hello everyone. Today's session is basically about Git and GitHub. Most of you have heard about Git and GitHub and think about what it is that and how it works and many other things. Today we are basically going to learn what is Git and GitHub, how to install it in your Windows PC and how to commit something to your GitHub repository. First think what is Git? So as you see on my screen, Git is basically a version control system that helps you to track the changes version of your code. Now, second thing that is GitHub. So you can also see on my screen that GitHub is basically a platform that uses version control system Git and it helps you to collaborate on different projects from anywhere in the world. So now I am going to show you how to install Git in your PC. Firstly, come on the gitcm.com. I will also provide this link in the description of the video. Now click on download for Windows. Wait for some time. A new page will appear on your screen. You have to click on standalone installer 64-bit Git for Windows setup. The system starts downloading. Wait for some time, it is downloading. So as you can see now, the file got downloaded and just click on open. The prompt came, click on yes. Now click on next. The file will be saved on C program files Git. It is depend on you where to save the project file, the system files. Then click on next. It's showing that already exists because I already installed Git. Click on yes, then next, then again next. You can use Vim or any other editor, or you can just click next, again click next, next. Just click on next. Now click on install. It will start installing. Wait for some time till it get installed. So as you all can see, the setup installation completed now. Click on launch Git finish. It's basically the release note of GitHub. Git. Just leave that for a moment. Now we have to first configure the Git. So click Git config minus minus global. Now user dot name. You have to enter here the GitHub username, GitHub user ID. So I am entering my user ID. Now again you have to configure your email ID. User dot email. Wait a minute. Again click enter. So now your configuration will be completed. You can see your configuration by just clicking config minus minus list. So as you can see, my username and user email will be configured here. Now just close this Git. Now come to now as the Git got installed and configured properly. Now we are going to learn how to create a repository in GitHub and how to commit in that repository. So first log into your GitHub account. If you haven't made yet your GitHub account, then make a one that you all will so that you all can get the essence of GitHub and Git. So after login, your page will be seen like this. Just click on new here, create a repository name, intro. You can add a readme file here, add a git ignore file here. So, as this is an example, so I'm not adding the git ignore file here. You can now create create repository from clicking this link. Now your repository gets created. So how to clone the repository? Just click on your code, copy that code. Now come to your VS Code. I will suggest you to use VS Code. Just open a folder here. You can create a new folder just like that. Intro, select folder. Now your folder got created. Just open here terminal, new terminal. Check whether your Git is configured or not. Git minus minus version. Okay, wait. So as you all can see that my Git is configured and it's running on the terminal. So now to clone the repository, just enter git clone and paste that link and click enter. Now your repository got cloned. Here you can see that intro folder is created inside your folder intro, and that readme file that you created in GitHub is here now. So if you want to just push anything, like I am changing this readme file from capital from small intro to capital intro. Now the file got changed. Now if you want to commit this in your GitHub repository, just come to your terminal. So firstly enter into that folder cd. Now to push that change into your GitHub, write git add dot. It will add all your changes. It will stage all your changes. Now write git and enter any message like change in readme file. Close that double quotes and click enter. Now your commit message will be created. Now to push that into your GitHub, click git push origin main. Now your changes will be pushed to the GitHub. Now you can check in the GitHub. Just refresh the page. Click on readme. You can see that firstly it is written in small. Now it's written in capital. You can see that here what you changed in VS Code came here. So basically this is what Git and GitHub works, and how to install. So thank you. That's all for today.